This video, I'm talking about 9 different ways that you can make passive income. For each one, I'm gonna go over how hard it is to get started, how hard it is to make $100 per month from, and how hard it is to maintain once you've created that stream of passive income. For my wife, Brittany, and I, these 9 different sources of income generate on average $10,000 per week with varying levels of passiveness. This obviously hasn't happened overnight and took us the last 5 or 6 years to build up, so do not expect these kind of numbers out of the gate. But in all honesty, this is the exact video we wish we had back when we started our financial freedom journey together almost a decade ago. Make sure you watch till the end so you don't miss a passive income idea that could totally change your life. So what exactly is passive income? I define it as income that requires little to no effort to earn and maintain, meaning that you can make money without having to constantly trade your time to earn it. Essentially, passive income is when you are putting your money to work for you versus active income where you are always working for your money. Now, with that being said, to start earning passive income, it will actually require you to invest either your time or money up front. There's no such thing as getting rich quick. Building wealth and financial freedom is a journey and not an event in your life. Just like your finger or your mouse is on a journey to hit that like button and help a brother out. Thanks. All right, let's dive into these 9 legitimate ways to make passive income. The first stream of passive income I want to talk about is investing in stocks. This is really the easiest way to make passive income because it does not require a lot of time or effort. Quick disclaimer, I am not a financial advisor and this information is for entertainment purposes only. I've actually been investing since I was 15 years old, and with technology changing and getting so good, getting started with investing is extremely easy. Whether you invest through a regular broker like Vanguard, which is the one we use, or an alternative broker like Robinhood, Acorns, or Stash, it really doesn't matter. The most important part is getting started early and investing often. If you have money sitting in a savings account earning 0.05 interest, you're actually losing value on that money due to inflation. I recommend investing in low-cost broad market index funds like one that tracks the S&P 500 or my favorite, Vanguard's VTSAX. These funds essentially take your investment and distribute it amongst the biggest companies in the US. This is great because it's super diversified and you literally own a small portion of some of the best performing companies in the world, including companies like Apple, Amazon, Google, Microsoft, Tesla, and more. Investing in index funds takes the high risk and guesswork out of trying to pick individual stocks. This will save you from making bad emotional investment decisions and put your investments on autopilot. The stock market has historically had returns of 10% over the last century, making this an incredible way to create passive income. We personally invest 15 to 20% of our income on autopilot on a monthly basis, whether the market is going up or down, to help dollar cost average. So how hard is it to make $100 a month from investing in stocks? Let's use a quick example. A $15,000 portfolio earning a conservative 8% return would make around $100 per month. The great thing about investing in the market is that your investments will continue to compound and grow without you needing to do anything except check on them maybe a couple times a year. The hardest part is actually saving up that $10,000 to $15,000 in an investment account so that the compound interest can start working its magic. I give this passive income idea a 1-star difficulty for maintaining once it's started. This stream of income is very hands-off. Literally everyone should be investing their money, earning passive income, and building their wealth through the stock market. We have grown our personal investment portfolio to earn us around $520 per week based on an average 10% return. A fun little hack to figure out what your financial freedom number is, which is the amount of money that you would need invested in the market in order to retire and live off of the rest of your life, is to take your monthly living expenses, let's say $5,000, multiply that by 12, which is 12 months out of the year, which will give you your yearly living expenses. In this example, that would be $60,000, then multiply that number by 30. That comes out to $1.8 million. This is the approximate number that you would need invested in order to safely withdraw 4% yearly to cover your living expenses and never run out of money. Our personal financial freedom number is around $2.5 million. I would love for you to do the calculation yourself and share what you get in the comments below. The second way to make passive income is by starting your own blog. I'm obsessed with this passive income idea because starting our blog is what really changed our lives and jump-started our journey to financial freedom. The act of starting a blog is extremely easy. You can literally do it in just a couple minutes using the link in the description. I'm gonna give that 1-star difficulty to get started. But the real question is, how hard is it to make $100 per month passively through blogging? Well, if it's your very first time starting a blog, I would say it's pretty difficult. I'm gonna give it a 3-star rating. There's a fairly big learning curve with picking the right niche, writing good content, attracting an audience of readers, and learning how to monetize. But there are plenty of courses to help you shortcut your way into making money. My favorite one that I highly recommend is Launch Your Blog Biz by Create and Go. There'll be a link in the description. Their course will shave months off your learning curve and get you started making money much faster than if you tried to learn everything on your own.
I knew exactly what to do, but in a much more real sense, I had no idea what to do.
I would say it takes a good 6 to 9.
I actually do want you to fight over me. I want to be wined and dined at 69.
Oh.
Metaphorically 69. Ooh, perverts.
months to get started making money with a blog. Now, if this is your second or third time starting a blog, it's going to be much less difficult since you already have the skill set to do so. We currently have 4 blogs, and our second, third, and fourth blog just took a couple months to start making $100 a month passively. If you have a passion, experience, and education in a certain niche like personal finance, health, fitness, cooking, and you enjoy writing and helping others, why not start a blog? I find it extremely fulfilling to be able to wake up every single day and help others just like yourself win with money and create a life of freedom. We are super blessed that our blogging business has grown to be our main source of income, allowed us to quit our terrible 9-to-5 jobs, totally support our family, and fast track our financial freedom. Our blogging business makes us around $8,175 per week, which is fairly passive with us only working around 15 to 20 hours. That income comes from display ads, affiliate marketing, which we'll talk about shortly, sponsorships, and selling digital products like the ones behind me. This is a passive income idea that does require your time and effort to maintain since it's a business, but you can outsource a lot of it over time like we do. So I will give this a 2-star difficulty to maintain this stream of passive income coming in. All right, the third passive income idea I want to talk about is starting a YouTube channel. This is very similar to starting a blog, but the medium in which you are presenting your content is video versus text. You can literally go to YouTube, click start a channel, pull out your iPhone, start recording your first video, and upload it within an hour. So it's extremely easy to start, which is why I'm giving it a 1-star rating to start. The real question again becomes, how hard is it to actually start making money, and specifically $100 per month? Well, for starters, you can't actually start making money directly from YouTube with their display ads until you have 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time, which sounds like a lot, which definitely takes a good amount of time and consistency in uploading new videos. At that point, you can apply to become a partner and have a channel monetized via display ads. But you can start making money right away with affiliate marketing, which I will dive deep into next. From personal experience, I think blogging is much easier to create content versus creating YouTube videos. First off, you have to get over the fear of being on camera. You have to outline your videos, record them, edit them, think about your thumbnails. You have to upload them. It's a fairly time-consuming process, and there definitely is a learning curve to start creating high-quality videos. It took us around 6 months of consistently uploading videos to YouTube to start making money, which is why I'm giving it a 4-star difficulty to start making $100 per month. But this is where it gets exciting from a passive income standpoint. Once you get the upfront work done, stay consistent uploading videos, our small YouTube channel that currently sits at 5,000 subscribers makes us around $300 in display ads per month and around $1,000 in affiliate income. Once you get into the groove of making videos, creating some systems, and streamlining your process, the work needed on a weekly basis is only a couple of hours, giving this passive income idea a 2-star difficulty to maintain. The fourth stream of passive income I want to share is affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is essentially marketing and promoting other people's products and services and earning a commission every time someone converts by either signing up or making a purchase. Glassdoor states the national average for an affiliate marketer is $72,327 in the United States, which comes out to around $1,500 per week. So many people are doing very well in affiliate marketing. Just like investing in the stock market, getting started in affiliate marketing is extremely easy and can be done in just a few minutes, giving this a 1-star difficulty to get started. You can go to sites like Impact, ClickBank, or even Amazon.com, quickly create an account, find an offer or product to promote, get a unique affiliate link to start promoting, and bam, you're making money. Well, it's not that easy. The key to affiliate marketing is treating each affiliate offer that you sign up for like your very own product. So make sure you pick products and services in your niche that you are passionate about, have experience with, and possibly have some education in. So now let's answer the difficult question on how hard it is to make $100 per month passively through affiliate marketing. Each affiliate program offers a percentage commission on each sale or conversion. The commission on these can range from as little as a couple cents to $100 to even thousands of dollars depending on the price point of the offer you are promoting. I really don't think it's that difficult to make $100 with affiliate marketing, especially if you have any type of social media presence, blog, YouTube channel, podcast, or email list you can leverage. If you don't have any of those, then you really don't have a way to promote or market these affiliate offers other than your friends and family. So you'll be very limited. So this stream of income will always work best when paired with an online business. I give this a 2-star rating to start earning $100 per month. I feel that anyone can pretty easily find a couple of affiliate programs to be a part of and start making money with. Now, to maintain this stream of passive income takes a little hustle if you want to earn more than $100 per month. You're going to have to continuously create new content for people to read on your blog, watch on your YouTube channel that promotes your affiliate products. But since we are basing this rating on earning $100 per month, I give it a 2-star difficulty rating to maintain. Honestly, affiliate marketing is an incredible way to increase your passive income. We personally earn anywhere between $1,500 to $2,000 on average per week through affiliate marketing. Hey, real quick, if you are finding this video helpful and you are excited about building your wealth, don't forget to subscribe and please share this video with your family and friends. The fifth passive income idea I want to talk about is creating and selling digital products. Digital products can be anything from ebooks, workbooks, checklists, or planners. If you are creative and already have some graphics design skills, this is going to be an easy stream of passive income that you need to start right away. But for the average person, this stream of passive income is going to be a little bit more challenging, so I am going to give it a 3-star rating to get started. In order to get started making money through digital products, you first need to pick a niche that you are familiar with. This can be fitness, meal planning, gardening, or our personal favorite, personal finance. Start doing some market research by either going to Google and searching for your niche, or by going to Etsy and searching for digital products within your niche. Understanding what is already being created and sold will help you identify the problems that people have within your niche so that you can create worksheets, checklists, and planners to help them solve their problems. For example, in the personal finance niche, people struggle with budgeting, paying off debt, saving money, meal planning, so we created our own printables to help solve those problems. We market and sell our digital products on Etsy and through our own Shopify shop. This is by far one of the best streams of passive income we have because once we created the products, they sell evergreen for years to come, and yes, even when we are sleeping. By promoting our digital products through our blogging business and our YouTube channel, we make around $5,000 per week. For someone just starting out, it's going to take a lot of time and effort to research, create, market, and start selling. Because of that, I'm giving this a 3-star difficulty rating to start earning $100 a month passively. Last but not least, in our passive income idea criteria, I want to talk about how difficult it is to maintain this stream of passive income once it's started. It's super easy and very hands-off, giving it a 1-star to maintain. This is definitely a passive income stream that takes a lot of upfront time and effort, but once you put in the hard work, the money can start coming in month after month on autopilot. All right, the 6th passive income idea is selling your knowledge and experience. Yes, you can make a ton of money by creating courses that help teach others and give them a transformation from point A to point B. We actually have many close online business friends that make over $100,000 per month selling their online digital courses. This is one of the most difficult streams of income to start due to the saturation in online education over the years and the time to put together a high quality course. I'm giving this one a 4-star difficulty to start, a 3-star difficulty to make your first $100, and a 3-star difficulty to maintain. Just like selling digital products, selling a course that is typically at a higher price point is more difficult to do so. Again, having a social media presence or a platform like a blog or a YouTube channel is going to be a must in order to start and maintain making money from selling digital courses. There are platforms like Udemy or Skillshare that you can upload your courses to and sell on a marketplace like that, but I definitely recommend selling them through yourself where you can make a lot more profit. Although this is one of the most difficult ways to make passive income, once it's done correctly, the sky is truly the limit on how much money you can actually make. All right, number 7 is going to be selling items online. I'm sure you find items laying around your house all the time that you no longer use or want. Why not post them on eBay or Facebook Marketplace to start earning extra income from them? I actually started selling items online when I was 13 years old, which had a profound effect on my life, and it really was the first time I got introduced to making money online. Although it's not the most passive way to make income due to the time commitment to find and source items, list them, ship them, just about anyone can start flipping items and making money. Definitely a 1-star difficulty to get started. Just take a look around your basement, closet, garage, or even under your bed. I am sure you will find plenty of items that you no longer use that have a lot of value for other people. I have an entire video on how to sell on eBay that you can watch after this video. With just selling a few items per month, you can easily start making $100. Once you run out of items to sell around your house and from your family and friends, you'll have to start going to flea markets or drop shipping them, which I'll have to make an entire new video on in the future. In college, I actually made around $50,000 per year in revenue, and $10,000 of that was profit through my online dropshipping business through Amazon. So how hard is it to maintain $100 per month coming in? Not hard, but if you want to make it more profitable income stream, say $500 to $1,000 per month, it's gonna be a lot more time consuming. So I'm giving this a 3-star for difficulty to maintain. All right, coming in hot at number 8 is investing in local small businesses. This is actually something that Brittany and I have wanted to do for a very long time. I mean, who would not want to support their hardworking small business friends in their local town? In doing our research, we actually came across a company called Mainvest that allows you to browse local businesses on their website and invest as little as $100. I actually made an entire video where I share an over-the-shoulder view on me using their platform, researching the companies, and investing $1,000 of our own money that you can find on our channel. So this passive income idea is a little tricky for me to rate since Mainvest really removes all the barriers of entry and makes investing in local businesses extremely easy. If you were to invest in local businesses the old-fashioned way, you would need a lot of time and money up front to truly find a good investment. Not to mention, you would need a skill set to be able to analyze financials, improve operations, and increase revenue for the local businesses. But since Mainvest is an awesome platform, has great returns, and allows you to invest as little as $100, I give this a 1-star difficulty down the board. Definitely check them out. Last but not least, the one stream of passive income we are focusing on this year is investing in real estate. If you take a quick look around at your everyday millionaire, a good majority of them own real estate. Real estate has a long history of being a stable investment that people use to build their passive income and wealth. There's a bunch of different ways you can make money from real estate, including the most common: long-term rentals, short-term rentals, and commercial real estate. There are pros and cons of each type once you go down the rabbit hole of learning about investing in real estate, and you will realize it's a pretty big rabbit hole. The actual thought of investing in real estate seems pretty simple on the surface, but the actual act of doing it is way more complicated. You have to research your areas, save for a down payment, get your financing in order, find a real estate agent, find the perfect property, go through closing, get your inspection, etc. That's why I'm giving this stream of passive income a 4-star for difficulty for getting started. We got hooked on the idea of starting a short-term rental business this year on Airbnb through one of our newest favorite YouTube channels, Rob Built. His content is incredible, so if you are even somewhat interested in starting an Airbnb business, go check him out. I personally like short-term rentals over any other form of real estate simply because of the cash flow that just one property can create. We're talking anywhere from $1,000 to $10,000 per month. Once you get through the process of actually acquiring your very first property, the hard work might not end there. Depending on the type of real estate that you get into, you will most likely have renovations, furnishing, marketing, finding your first tenant, etc. before the sweet passive income starts pouring in. Just like investing in local businesses with Mainvest, there are companies like Fundrise and Here that make investing in long-term and short-term rentals very hands-off with little to no money or time involved. I'll leave a link in the description for both so you can check them out. I'll see you in my next video where I share my favorite side hustle ideas that will help you boost your monthly income. Don't forget to check out the links in the description I mentioned throughout the video, and if you haven't done so already, please hit the subscribe button so you never miss another video to helping you reach your financial freedom and creating a life you love. Thanks for watching. Peace!